Good evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you a nice, beautiful kit from 7Great. That is www.7great.com. Now, you guys by now must know 7Great. They're amazing. They've got a beautiful website. They load new products often, and they only specialize in in cross stitch. So they specialize in cross stitch, everything cross stitch you can find there, all the tools and accessories. They've got beautiful things. Their brands are separated. They've got specials on the website. You must just go and have a look. Their customer service is really good. They get back to you very, very quickly. They ship, but they ship fast. I don't know how to explain it, but they do ship very, very fast, and their products never disappoint. Now, guys, it is Black Friday, and it's still Black Friday. And guess what? Look on the screen. Look at that savings. Now, 7Great's Black Friday sale is still on for almost 3 days. So if you worked and you missed Black Friday, you have not missed it at 7Great. So at 7Great on Black Friday, you can save a lot. So there is a few promotions. Now, first of all, I didn't give you my discount code, which I give you now, Rella10 off. And you guys know that. It will be in the description box, but there's a better one. So the first promotion on Black Friday is buy 4 get 1 free, buy 8 get 2 free. So what that means is when you buy 4 get 1 free, you need to add 5 to your cart. When you buy 8 get 2 free, you need to add 10 to your cart to get that 2 free. Now that doesn't stop there. There's no limits to that. So the more you add, the more you will get free. Just check your card. It will be right there. Now the discount code is on top of that. For 13% discount, you use the code Black Friday 13 for on top of that savings. And if that's not enough, there's even more. Yes, you heard me right. There is more. So for promotion 3, if you order over $29, guys, you must go and have a look. $29, free gift. Then you get a free gift with your order. It's a random gift, but you have to leave the note when you check your card out. You need to leave the note free gift to get that free gift. So it's absolutely amazing. You get free stitches, you get 13% off, and you get a free stitch. How's that for angelic to your ears? Also, remember, if you order over $59, you do get free shipping. So that's a lot of savings. Please go and support 7Great. They are an amazing shop. Alright, so we've all said and done. Let's look at the beauty they've sent me. You can look at her while I make a noise. Okay, you guys know I love the ocean, and this is another beautiful lady with a chiffony dress walking on the beach, and she's just lovely. So let's have a go at this. There's 5 needles, needle thread, and a thimble, and a little test tube. And you guys know, I know it's not a test tube, but I like calling it that. I like these tubes more than the poof balls. They keep our needles very nice, and they don't break, and you can reuse them. Let's have a look at this pattern. Of course, the pattern is on my favorite shiny film for durability. Alright, so look at this. She's barefoot on the beach. There's I don't know what you call them now. I don't know. The birds at the beach. And she's just strolling along. It is 11 count. She is 40 by 40. Okay, yeah, it is 39 by 39 centimeters. And she's got 147 stitches by 147 stitches. Now she's got 36 colors, and it's enough to make this pretty. The instructions is printed on the pattern. And everything is beautiful. It's printed perfectly. 36 colors. Like I said, 39 by 39. 147 stitches by 147. Alright, so let's pack this away and let's get into it. I want to put this one back in this for now. Okay. Alrighty then, she is on bright white Ada. She searched all the way around for our convenience. She's 11 count, she is 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 stitches by 147 stitches. She's got 36 colors. The printing is very well done. It's a very easy stitch, it's a quick stitch. Like you can see, she is not very big. The printing is beautiful. It's always beautiful with this company. It is fantastic. It is really, really pretty. Alright, I'm staring at this late Friday night on a Black Friday. Alrighty then, so let's have a look at the pretties. Oh my Stitchy soul, look at this beautiful, beautiful colors. Like I said, it never gets old, people. It just never ever gets old to look at new threads. It is just fantastical. Alright, it's soft, guys. Very, very soft colors. This is really, it's got like two strings of black. There's almost no black in it. It's a very, very calming stitch, very calming colors. My light is bright, so there's light blue, light beige, but it's very difficult to show because the light is making it all white. So it is amazing. The stitch is really, really pretty, fabulous. I totally adore it. Amazing product. Alright, so while I pack it away, my voice. I just want to thank 7GREAT. This is really amazing, really pretty. Thank you so much. I really adore it. Then guys, it's Black Friday and it's not too late because it's almost on for still 3 days. Please go and support 7GREAT. They've got big sales and you get free gifts, you get discount, and then you get stitches for free as you buy, and there's no limit to that. So that is just super duper amazing. Now thank you guys for always watching and supporting me. It really, really means the world to me. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.